Hello! Today a video about a project I did with my patrons. The lessons are still available, so really hop over to my Patreon page if you want the full tutorial. All lessons are there in real time. For this project I've used Neocolor 2 as a base for my colored pencils. Neocolor 2 is highly pigmented, water-based and a pastel stick. It looks a little like Crayola, I think, but the quality is way better. I work on Lux Archival sanded paper, the lovely white sanded paper from brush and pencil. The colors look very vivid and bright on this surface, so that's a real advantage. And in this way I can create a quick base with these Neocolors. It saved me half the time, I think. The piece is quite big and I think it took about 15 hours. Well, some will say that's really much, but for a colored pencil piece that's totally not a lot of hours. I think on watercolor paper this piece would take 40 to 60 hours if you did them with colored pencils alone. So 15 hours, that's quite fast. For the refining layers I work with colored pencil, and colored pencil is a way slower but it is a very precise medium. So in this way you can combine the advantages of both media. The Neocolor is really quick and really bright, but it's hard to get all the teeny tiny details in, and the colored pencil, well, you can work really precise with them, of course. And I work with the polychromos from Faber Castell. I think they are quite okay for working on sanded paper. And I've used almost every color in the box. And there are 120, so there were just a few of them left in the box when I finished this piece. Are you looking for a way to improve your drawing and painting skills? Do you often get stuck with your projects? For those who like to take the next step in their art journey, over on my Patreon I've got lessons to help you. So every week I add real-time tutorials, tip videos and videos to get you started with all kinds of media and subjects. You get instant access for just a small amount per month. For each project you get the reference, a description, the line drawing, as well as a full materials list. So you can pick the projects you like and follow along and take the next step of your art adventure. It's a monthly membership and you can cancel whenever you want. So why don't you give it a try? I place a link to my Patreon page in the video description. Okay, let's get back to the video. Well, we are almost there, and you can see by layering you get more and more detail in, and it looks more and more realistic. Hope you liked it, and I hope to see you next time. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it, because I want to make this channel grow and you can help. Thank you very much for your attention, and really try to color yourself. So let's color the world.